What is the major product of the following reaction? This reactant is an epoxide. Epoxide is treated with Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis, and the reaction is acid catalyzed. If the reaction is acid catalyzed, it follows SN2 mechanism. So what is the product obtained here? This is the compound. This is the compound. This reacts and it with Grignard's reagent to form OMgI and CH2 CH3. This is CH3 is R of Grignard's reagent. Followed by hydrolysis, what will I get? OH here, CH2 CH3. This should be your answer. What is the major product of the following reaction? The epoxide is treated with Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis. The epoxide addition takes place. Substitution here is SN2 mechanism. So it is R minus attacks from less sterically hindered side. So you will get this form compound, which on hydrolysis will give this final product. So now let us see what is the product here. What is your final answer? It is option D. Option D is your final answer.